Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving from Ligony to Papine. So we're now in the Ligony area. We are on Hope Road, heading towards Old Hope Road. Now Hope Road runs from Halfway Tree to Ligony. Old Hope Road runs from Crossroads all the way to Papine, and it intersects Hope Road in Ligony. So a lot of persons sometimes confuse the two roads because one is Hope Road and one is Old Hope Road. Same way you have Stony Hill Road and then you have Old Stony Hill Road. Okay, straight ahead again you see the taxi just stopping the road to let off somebody. Okay, at this intersection now, if you turn left you go onto Barbican Road. If you turn right, you go on to Old Hope Road. And straight ahead is Old Hope Road. So Hope Road ends right here, and when we go straight, we go on to Old Hope Road. So if we turn right here, we would take Old Hope Road towards Crossroads. But we're going to go straight and take it up to Papine. So Ligony is mostly, it's could say a commercial area, but it doesn't really have a lot of offices. It has mostly plazas and restaurants. There are more restaurants in Ligony than any other place in Jamaica. And they have a lot of plazas. The only place that probably has more plazas is Constant Spring Road, especially as you get closer to Halfway Tree. But outside of that, Constant Spring Road, the Ligony area is where you're going to find the most plazas. Straight ahead on the right is Ligony Plaza. On the left is Lane Plaza. Oh, and if we turn left at this stoplight, that would take us into Sovereign Plaza. And Sovereign is the largest plaza in Ligony. It's also one of the top plazas in Jamaica. Of course, it follows the formula that we keep talking about. It has a Sovereign supermarket, huge supermarket. You have food stores, you have a KFC, you have the plaza literally has a food court. And you build it in a popular location. Naturally, Ligony is surrounded by so many residential communities that there are tens of thousands of people live in this area. So this is Lane Plaza on the left now. And ironically, there is a second plaza in Jamaica off Constant Spring Road with the same name, Lane Plaza. On the left is a Scotia Bank. Now, I'm not sure how or what happened why two plazas have the same name. If anybody has any reason or knows why, you can leave a message in the comment section. Okay, this is Sugar and Spice. And they sell some of the best patties in Jamaica, if not the best. Okay, this location now on the left where you see that blue tarpaulin and the red thing, at night they sell pan chicken. They literally cook it in a pan, and that's the best tasting, well to me, that's the best tasting pan chicken in Jamaica. On the right is the US Embassy, but they only operate at night, and they've been doing it for years. They're very popular. And I can tell you, just to give you an example, that spot that I'm telling you about will have a line. People will stand up there for 10-15 minutes waiting to get served. And you can have two other people probably a few feet away with their pan chicken stall and it's empty. Nobody wants to go there. Everybody would prefer to wait on the other pan chicken. Okay, over here you have the Shoppers Fair supermarket. Ligony also has a lot of supermarkets. Every major plaza in Ligony has a supermarket. You have Sovereign, you have Hilo, you have Shoppers Fair, you have General Foods, some major supermarket brands. Okay, on the right now is KFC, and this KFC is special because that was the first KFC opened in Jamaica. And on the left is JC, Jamaica College. It's a high school, and it's one of the prominent high schools in Jamaica. yeah, this intersection of we turn left, we go into Hope Pastures. And on the right, you can see them advertising for Hope Zoo, that little banner or picture. So this area now, if you turn left, you go into Hope Pastures. This used to be, I guess you could say, sugar plantation. So the whole of this area has a lot of government buildings in it. And you have the Hope Zoo. And almost everything up here is named after Hope something. Hope Gardens, Old Hope Road, Hope Zoo, Hope Pastures. So it's just because of that why everything up here is named after that. Okay, on the left is the RADA office. It's a government agency that has to do with the land. On the left is the entrance to Hope Gardens. And Hope Gardens is a very nice facility. It's literally gardens with lawn space. The flowers are nicely maintained. It's people usually go there to take pictures, like when they get married. They have restaurants over there. They have places where you can have events. It's a nice little run facility, and it's huge. You literally can just have a picnic, carry your family, sit down, and the kids run up and down on the grass and have fun. Okay, on the left now, where you see that white car turning, is the entrance to... Oh no, it's not there. It's up at the light. At the light, you have the entrance to the Mona School, which is one of the top schools in Jamaica, a preparatory school. So in Jamaica, the private prep schools, okay, here you have the Hope United Church. When we say primary school, that's a government school. It's like public school. And when we say preparatory school, that's a private school. That's just for the lower school levels, not the high schools. There is no separation of the high schools by name. So that's Mona Preparatory School. So it's a private school. And almost all, maybe not all, but 90% of the schools in Jamaica are associated with a church. So there you have the Hope United Church, and on the same compound you have the Mona Prep School. Okay, over here is the entrance to UTech, which is one of the two major universities in Jamaica. University of the West Indies is the second. So if we turn right here at this intersection, we would go to the University of the West Indies School and also the University of the West Indies Hospital. So this is the Papine area now. And with two major schools, literally 1 minute walking distance from it, and with the major hospital over there, this is a very, very busy area. So you can see a lot of restaurants, a lot of food places basically, and also it's a major transportation hub. So if you want to go anywhere, so Halfway Tree, Portmore, you would come here and take a bus. And with the schools right there, with Hope Pastures, the Mona area, this is a very busy shopping place, and it mainly facilitates the residential areas around. So you're going to find a lot of supermarkets, a lot of restaurants. So if we turn left now, that will take us up into the Blue Mountains. Still low Papine area, but that road leads up to the famous Blue Mountains, the Castleton area. Oh, it's not Castleton. Castleton is St. Mary End. But there is a very famous place where you can go and have picnics on the Blue Mountain, and you go take that road. If anybody remembers the name, you can leave a message in the comment section. Alright, so this is Papine, guys, and you can see at the bus stop a lot of students. It's 1 o'clock in Jamaica, so I guess their school finished. I don't know if it's early or this is a regular school time. But okay, now over here on the left you can see a lot of taxis. And you know, wherever you see that, you have a lot of indiscipline, and basically, I shouldn't target, but they are some of the worst users of the road. I don't think there is anybody who would disagree that the taxis have their own road code and do whatever they want. It's very, I don't know. But if Jamaica is going to maintain law and order on the roads, they have to start somewhere. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.